So if you could be anywhere in the world right now, where would it be? For me, it would be in a cafe in Paris. So guess what? You can do that. Let's do it. I'm going to use my Sketchbook app and I will transport myself to Paris. Let's go. The first thing you have to do is Google an image of where you'd like to be, and then take a picture of yourself, an awesome picture of yourself, smiling and having fun. Now, let's open up our Sketchbook app. So here I am with a blank slate on the Sketchbook app. I am going to start with my background and I'm going to pull up the image I want, which is my cafe in Paris. I already searched for that image and it's the one I wanted. Then I took a picture. I'm going to now grab a blank layer and put it on top. And I'm going to pull up my next image, which is my face. There we go. And I'm going to resize it to fit what I want. I think I'm going to make it right here. Done. Actually, I want to resize it. I'm going to bring it up a little bit. There. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut away at the parts that I don't want. And there's two ways to doing that. You can use the eraser tool by erasing the parts you don't want. So you might have to get a little bigger for these areas. And then as you get closer to your head, you see how it's revealing, oops, cut away too far. So you might, once you get closer to your face, you're gonna thin down the eraser and you're gonna get closer and really work at erasing away so that the cafe is revealed, but you also want it to look natural. There you go. Oops, sorry. Okay, that is one way of doing it. So slowly revealing the cafe. The second way of doing it is to use the lasso tool on the top. So I'm gonna go on the top, there's a lasso tool, and I'm gonna trace over the shape around my head. So basically I'm not gonna lift my finger, I'm going around my clothing, around my hair, and around my hair, around that flower. And because it stops there, I'm gonna stop right here and I'm gonna cut that out. There we go. And then I'm gonna do the same thing to that bottom little reverse D shape that's happening there. Take that out. Now, then you might wanna use the eraser tool, eraser tool to cut in. You might wanna make sure that's not, there we go. The eraser tool will only work if the lasso tool is off. Just notice that. So I thought I would let you know. And then you cut in nice and close so that it looks realistic. And here, same thing. I think that looks good. Over here, maybe just a little bit more. There. All right. So there we are. I am at a cafe in Paris. Excellent. Actually, I had so much fun doing this that I went ahead and decided I'm going to travel around the world. So check out my pictures. So came back from my flight just an hour ago and I'm exhausted. Anyway, so that's your assignment for today. I want you to imagine one place you would like to be and Google an image that resembles this place or is this place. Save it in your album, then take a picture of yourself, then use both photos in Sketchbook app, layer them, put the background behind you, and then cut away the parts in your own photograph that will then reveal the background. So I cannot wait to see where you go, and until next time, go make some art.